super cool.
But wait. Thousands of IT solution providers make group calling APIs and software solutions across the globe. What's so great that Appscrip is making one, huh?
Actually, we have built this module without using any third-party APIs like Twilio, Flipblocks, and we have integrated WebRTC gateway in our ecosystem. So you don't have to pay any third-party providers.
Huh. That's actually pretty cool. Wow.
But wait, what are the possible use cases for this group calling feature?
You can integrate this module in your chat app similar to WhatsApp, WeChat, Miko, and you can use it in business meeting software like GoToMeeting, GoLive, and this will work across all the browsers.
Oh wow, that's great.
Excuse me, I have a social media business. How long will it take to implement group calling feature in my social media app?
Actually, within 15 hours you can implement in your app if you have an experienced developer, because we have developed it as a module, so you can take it and plug in your current app. And we have used microservices, so you can take it and implement in your server, and it is easily pluggable. So it might take little longer if you have any complex business logic.
15 hours? What the duck? That sounds amazing! I'll be back.
That brings us to an end of this informative episode of What's Cooking at Appscrip. Thank you, Alok. That was a brilliant demonstration of the group calling feature. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.